Easy way to deactivate Facebook account 2026. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Log in to your Facebook account if you are not logged in. Now, on the home screen, press your profile picture at the top right corner. Then press the Settings icon. Go to See More Account Center. In Account Settings, go to Personal Details. In Account Ownership Control, go to Deactivation and Deletion. Select Facebook Profile. This setting lets you choose if you want to deactivate your Facebook account temporarily or delete it forever. Deactivating hides your profile, while deleting removes everything permanently. Choose Deactivate Account and then press Continue. Deactivating your Facebook account means your profile is hidden, but your data is saved. You can come back anytime and reactivate it by logging in again. Continue again. Enter your password to confirm for deactivation. If you forgot your password, simply select Forgotten Password. Then follow the instruction. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now turned off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.